Get ready to march into the miniature world of ants. In this video, we'll uncover their bustling colonies, epic food quests, and the surprising ways these tiny superheroes rule the ground. Brace yourselves for an adventure so ant-issipated, it'll have you laughing and learning in equal measure. Let's shrink down and explore the incredible lives of ants. Where tiny warriors rule the ground with unwavering determination. These incredible insects have mastered the art of teamwork and built empires that rival any human civilization. Ants are everywhere. Well, not literally everywhere, but they're found on every continent except Antarctica. Talk about an impressive travel itinerary. It's like they've formed their own global network, connecting their colonies from lush forests to scorching deserts. Who needs a travel agent when you're an ant with a sense of adventure? Now hold on to your magnifying glasses because here's a mind-boggling fact. There are over 12,000 known species of ants. That's right, thousands of ant species roaming this planet, each with its own quirks and characteristics. It's like the ants decided to host their very own reality TV show, Ants of the World, with more drama and variety than you can imagine. From the fierce bullet ants, with their painful stings, to the leafcutter ants who embark on botanical heists. Ants come in all shapes, sizes, and job titles. Some ants are builders, constructing intricate underground tunnels and chambers. Others are foragers, venturing far and wide in search of food. And let's not forget the soldier ants, ready to defend their colonies at any cost. It's like a miniature version of Ants Got Talent, showcasing the many skills and roles of these remarkable insects. But wait, there's more. Did you know that ants are the ultimate farmers? Yep, you heard it right. Some ant species cultivate fungus gardens, carefully tending to their fungal crops. It's like they've mastered the art of agriculture, all while being smaller than a crumb. Move over, human farmers. Ants are here to show us how it's done. Speaking of being small, ants are known for their impressive strength. Pound for pound, they can carry loads that would put any weightlifter to shame. It's like they've secretly been hitting the gym, lifting minuscule dumbbells, and building ant-sized muscles. Who needs a personal trainer when you can be an ant with Herculean strength? Let's take a closer look at the fascinating behaviors of our six-legged friends. Ants are master communicators. They use a variety of signals, from chemical trails to gentle antennae touches, to relay important information to their fellow ant pals. It's like they've developed their own secret language, a mix of scent-based text messages and high-five-like greetings. If only we could decipher their ant speak, we might uncover a whole new world of insect gossip. Ants are like culinary connoisseurs with a flair for adventure. When they stumble upon a delicious morsel, they don't keep it to themselves. Oh no! They recruit an army of ant buddies to carry the feast back to their colony. It's like an ant-sized version of a food delivery service, complete with teamwork, efficiency, and maybe even a sprinkle of food envy. But here's the funny part. Ants are not picky eaters. They'll munch on just about anything edible they come across, from sweet nectar to juicy aphids, and even your picnic leftovers if you're not careful. It's like they've adopted the motto, eat first, ask questions later. Hey, ants, maybe it's time to consider opening your own adventurous eatery. Ants Kitchen, where everything's on the menu. Let's not forget about the epic ant battles. When rival ant colonies clash, it's a miniature version of Game of Thrones, with tiny warriors battling it out for territory and resources. They unleash their mandibles, engage in wrestling matches, and it's like they formed their very own ant version of a gladiator arena. Grab your popcorn and witness the ultimate showdown of ant strength and strategy. Ants are known for their impeccable housekeeping skills. They maintain a tidy and organized nest, meticulously removing debris and keeping everything spick and span. It's like they've mastered the art of cleanliness, while we humans struggle to keep our own bedrooms presentable. Bravo, ants, for making us feel like slobs with your impeccable cleanliness standards. Last but not least, ants are no strangers to the art of problem solving. When faced with an obstacle in their path, they'll find a way around, over, or even through it. It's like they've taken inspiration from MacGyver, the legendary problem solver, and become the MacGyvers of the insect world. Step aside, MacGyver. Ants are here to show you a thing or two about resourcefulness. When it comes to survival and adaptations, ants have nailed the art of conquering the world with their tiny but mighty skills. Ants are experts at teamwork. They work together like a well-oiled machine, coordinating their efforts to ensure the survival of their colony. It's like they've formed their own ant-sized construction crew, with each ant playing a specific role. From builders and foragers to defenders and caretakers, they've got all the bases covered. Move over, Avengers. The ant squad is here. But here's where it gets interesting. Ants have this nifty survival strategy called colony relocation. When their current digs become less favorable, they pack up their ant suitcases and move the entire colony to a new location. It's like an ant version of Extreme Makeover Home Edition, where they leave no pebble unturned in their quest for a better, more suitable nest. Ants have evolved some mind-boggling features that help them thrive in their diverse habitats. Take their strong jaws, for example. These bad boys allow them to chomp through tough materials like leaves, wood, and even our picnic leftovers. It's like they've got a built-in set of kitchen knives, ready to slice and dice their way to a satisfying meal. There's more. Some ants have developed unique defense mechanisms. Ever heard of the exploding ants? Yep, you read that right. When threatened, certain ant species can rupture their own bodies, releasing toxic goo that repels their enemies. It's like they're saying, "If you mess with us, we'll go out with a bang." Move over, action heroes. Ants have mastered the art of self-destruction with a splash of drama. Let's not forget about their impressive navigation skills. Ants use various cues, including the position of the sun, landmarks, and even their own scent trails, to navigate their way back home. It's like they've got their very own built-in GPS, minus the annoying voice directions. "Sorry, Siri, ants don't need your help." And here's a fun fact. Some ants are expert farmers. They've developed a mutualistic relationship with certain plant species, nurturing them and ensuring their growth. It's like they've taken up gardening as a hobby, complete with little ant-sized watering cans and tiny gardening gloves. Ants have mastered the art of agriculture. Now let's delve into the world of ants and discover why these tiny creatures are absolute superheroes when it comes to the well-being of our planet. Ants are nature's ultimate cleanup crew. They tirelessly scavenge for organic matter, breaking down fallen leaves, dead insects, and other decaying materials. It's like they've taken on the role of environmental sanitation workers, making sure our surroundings are tidy and free from potential hazards. Thank you, ants, for keeping the planet spick and span, one crumb at a time. But wait, there's more. Ants are the unsung heroes of soil health. As they tunnel and burrow, ants aerate the soil, allowing air and water to reach plant roots. They create channels that act as natural drainage systems, preventing soil erosion and increasing its fertility. It's like they're the secret architects of our underground world, ensuring the stability and productivity of ecosystems. Hats off to you, ant engineers! Ants are farming aficionados. Some ant species cultivate fungi within their nests, creating miniature underground gardens. They provide nourishment for these fungi, and in return, they feast on the delicious fungal harvest. It's like they've mastered the art of sustainable farming, minus the tractors and overalls. But here's where it gets interesting. Ants are expert seed dispersers. As they scurry around, ants unintentionally carry seeds with them, spreading them far and wide. They play a crucial role in forest regeneration and the diversity of plant species. It's like they're nature's own little Johnny Appleseeds, ensuring that plants find new homes and flourish. Let's not forget about pest control. Some ants are fierce defenders of plants, protecting them from herbivorous insects. They wage war against pests, ensuring that our precious crops and gardens thrive. It's like they've taken up the role of tiny insect bouncers, saying, "No pests allowed." And here's a mind-boggling fact. Ants play a vital role in nutrient cycling. They transport nutrients from one location to another, distributing them throughout ecosystems. This process enriches the soil, promotes plant growth, and sustains the entire food chain. It's like they're the master recyclers, ensuring that nutrients are utilized efficiently and nothing goes to waste. Kudos to you, nature's little nutrient distributors. And that wraps up our ant-tastic adventure. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible insects and their quirky ways, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our colony of curious minds. Don't miss out on more captivating critter content. Click right over here to watch another fascinating video and keep exploring the wild side of nature. Until then, stay curious, stay buzzing, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye, fellow ant enthusiasts.